What if I told you that your financial institution is likely leaving millions in revenue on the table, not because of market conditions or competition, but because of how you're acquiring and engaging customers? Today's most successful financial services organizations are discovering something remarkable. AI-powered customer relationship management isn't just about technology, it's about fundamentally reimagining how we understand, attract, and retain customers across diverse financial services. In the next few minutes, I'll share insights that could transform how your organization approaches customer acquisition and engagement. Here's the uncomfortable truth executives in financial services are facing: traditional marketing approaches are increasingly ineffective in today's complex landscape. Think about it. Your teams are likely using broad demographic categories to segment customers. But these generic groupings miss the nuanced behavioral patterns that actually drive customer decisions. Your marketing teams spend countless hours on manual analysis, yet they're working with limited data that's often outdated by the time campaigns launch. The result? Low conversion rates, high acquisition costs, and missed opportunities with high-value prospects who slip through the cracks. In an industry where customer lifetime value can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars, these inefficiencies aren't just problematic, they're existential threats to competitive positioning. One executive recently told me, "We're essentially using yesterday's tools to solve tomorrow's challenges." And that perfectly captures the dilemma. But here's where it gets interesting. Leading financial institutions are now deploying machine learning algorithms that analyze customer data in ways humans simply cannot. Imagine systems that process thousands of data points. From transaction histories to digital behaviors. From market intelligence to individual preferences. All in real time. These AI-powered platforms don't just segment customers, they predict their needs, understand their journey, and identify the perfect moment to engage. Natural language processing analyzes customer communications to detect intent and sentiment. Predictive models identify which prospects are most likely to become high-value long-term customers. And recommendation engines deliver personalized product suggestions that resonate with individual needs. This isn't about replacing human expertise, it's about augmenting it with intelligence that operates at scale and speed. The transformation extends far beyond marketing. When financial services organizations implement AI-enhanced customer acquisition, the impact ripples across multiple capabilities. Customer relationship management evolves from being reactive to predictive. Marketing and lead generation shift from broad campaigns to precision targeting, and sales processes become more intelligent, focusing efforts where they'll yield the greatest returns. Digital channels transform into personalized experiences. Customer analytics move from historical reporting to forward-looking insights. Even brand management benefits, as organizations can ensure consistent and relevant messaging across all touchpoints. The key insight? This isn't about improving one function, it's about elevating your entire customer acquisition and retention ecosystem. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds transformative, but where do we begin? Let me outline a pragmatic pathway that successful organizations typically follow. First, start with a strategic assessment. Map your current customer acquisition processes and identify the highest impact opportunities for AI enhancement. This isn't about boiling the ocean, it's about finding quick wins that demonstrate value. Second, build your data foundation. Ensure customer data from various touchpoints is integrated and accessible. You don't need perfect data to start, but you do need a clear data strategy. Third, pilot with purpose. Select a specific high-value customer segment or product line for initial AI implementation. This controlled approach allows you to learn, refine, and build internal confidence. Fourth, scale intelligently. Use insights from your pilot to expand AI capabilities across other areas, always maintaining focus on business outcomes rather than technology for its own sake. Finally, embed continuous learning. AI systems improve over time, but only if you create feedback loops and governance structures that enable ongoing optimization. The organizations seeing the greatest success aren't those that move fastest, they're those that move most thoughtfully. So what results can you expect from this journey? The outcomes are compelling. Financial institutions implementing these AI-powered approaches report significant increases in conversion rates through targeted marketing and personalized engagement. Customer acquisition costs decrease substantially through improved targeting and automated processes. Marketing effectiveness improves dramatically, with campaigns delivering far superior returns on investment. Customer satisfaction scores rise as experiences become more personalized and responsive. And critically, cross-selling and upselling opportunities multiply, increasing customer wallet share whilst improving retention rates. One chief marketing officer described it perfectly: "We're not just acquiring more customers, we're acquiring the right customers and keeping them longer." These aren't theoretical benefits, they are measurable improvements that directly impact your institution's growth and profitability. The question isn't whether AI will transform customer acquisition in financial services, it's whether your organization will lead or follow that transformation. To dive deeper into these strategies and explore how they could work for your specific institution, I recommend visiting the comprehensive guide at digibus.ai. They've outlined detailed implementation approaches, case studies, and frameworks that translate these concepts into actionable strategies. Because in today's financial services landscape, the organizations that harness AI for customer excellence aren't just competing, they're redefining what's possible. What aspect of AI-enhanced customer acquisition interests you most? Let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to connect with us at Digibus AI, on our website, www.digibus.ai, or through our social media channels. Thank you for watching and bye for now.